I like that shit. Winners don't quit. We're gonna start. We're gonna start in 5 minutes. Let some more people get up in here. Oh, I got some shit tonight. Let me put it on mute. Hold on. Yeah, we got 3 more minutes, fellas. Let some more people get up in this biatch.
The man said, I gotta go to court. He said, you're going to court. You got to go to court next week. The Christian said, that's all right. Go on.
Where is y'all faith in God? Boy, this gonna be a good show tonight, god damn it. Shit. Ooh, wait, it's gonna be a good one. God damn. Hold on. Let me put up something for y'all first. All right. Let me pull this picture up. Ooh, shit. You say you gotta go to court. Tell me about it. That old James Cleveland. Called a song called Where Is Your Faith? You know what I mean? In God. See, a lot of people don't know these words to these songs, what the meaning of these songs. When you go in the mirror, you looking at God. Me and P1 had that conversation a few days ago. You got to have faith in what you're doing because faith without works is dead. All right? Let me pull up something for y'all. Hold on. I just download that shit. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. We about to start. Hold on, fellas. Because I got some good literature for y'all. Let me see something. We're going to talk about this first. All right, hold on. Let me see. States that outlawed garnishments. Okay. All right, we're gonna have some fun, fellas. We're gonna have some fun with this one. All right, let me put up a picture. Hold on. What that boy is. Let me present. Let me show y'all something. This is how y'all check it for stuff that's real, okay? Yes. Y'all see this picture that I just put up? Y'all see this picture before I pull up, and then we're gonna go into the book. Show y'all a book. Y'all can go get. I'm gonna give y'all the name of the book. Y'all see this? Y'all know who this is? But everywhere you go, there's a heart, there's a party. Family matters, nigga. If family matters, then why our boy Darius McCray is going to fucking jail is fucking Family Matters. I used to watch the Family Matters. You had Steve Urkel on there. He was trying to fuck Laura for so long. He had to take his glasses off to get that pussy. Okay, this nigga worked about 7 years till finally took his glasses off to get the pussy. Look what the boy said. Boy, I tell you, it's a rare condition in this day and age. God damn. He supposed to have been rich, fellas, and he in jail? Huh? Huh? He in jail. Family Matters star Darius McCray arrested for a second time over failure to pay child support. This is how you check if this shit is real, fellas. Find out what state he in and look up the inmate and see is he there to see if they pulling your leg. See, I'm gonna show you. You gotta be a researcher. You gotta search, then you gotta research. Okay. But first, let me start before I go in this lecture and show y'all what I have, these books. We run this child support shit and we ain't giving it back. Stopping the bullshit before it starts. You know what I mean? And if you hear somebody else saying stopping the bullshit before it starts, when I say that's our bitch. That's our little bitch. Okay? We got bitches that say that. All right? Real talk. Y'all say any other channel that say that shit, that's my bitch. Real talk. I'm finna get real vulgar. You know what I mean? Because I've been changed. I used to be a nice guy. They made me the man who I am. Thank you, child support, for making me I used to be a good guy. I used to be like this guy on the screen, smile and laugh, all that old shit. No, man, I had to get serious. Ain't nobody gonna take you serious if you're not serious. Real talk. Let me stop sharing this shit. So, Luke, what's up, Kenneth? What's up, Kenneth? Say, Kenneth in the house. Eddie Winslow. Yeah, hey, Eddie Winslow. Yeah, that's Eddie Winslow, my brother. Let's get started. Y'all need to go grab this book, what I'm about to show y'all, if they still have it in print. Evella Gill. It must be new. Y'all see this book right here? Family Guide. Family Legal Guide, the complete encyclopedia for the law and layman. Y'all see that? Look at that, fellas. Kenneth said, you gonna love this. You gonna love this, Kenneth, because you in Texas. You in Texas. You are a Texan, my nigga. You gonna love this shit. You gonna laugh. Just stick around. What's up, Bert? My niggas in here too. What's going on? Shit, all my niggas in here. What's up? Look at this shit. Family Legal Guide. Go grab this book, fellas. I'm finna show y'all some shit up in here. And I'm gonna tell y'all something. These family court people love it when you don't know shit about your rights, yourself, your family, your children, right? They love it when you don't know shit, when you walk in that bitch blind and butt naked. Okay, let me stop sharing that. Y'all see the book? Y'all see the book? Okay. Let me see, did it get the full pages? If it didn't, it's a mother. Oh, that motherfucker didn't get the full pages. Hold on, let me go get him. Dirty motherfucker ain't get the full. Wait a minute. I'm gonna show y'all what's in this book. This is how you know these some lying, dirty motherfuckers. Hold on. These some dirty son of a bitches. Wow, it shows clear on my phone. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, fellas, I'm back. I had to take that shit over again. Hold on, here you go. I'm back, fellas. I had to, fellas, and we got a lady up in here. I guess they was listening today and said, "We gonna see how this nigga act. We send a woman over there." Well, people think they slick, dude. Fuck. God damn, man. People think they slick, fellas. Why people gotta be slick? Huh? Why people gotta think they slick when they're trying to play mind games with me? I am not that dude to play mind games with. I am not that dude, man. Why people gotta play with me? Okay, here you go. I got 1 page, 2 pages. Probably gonna be a little clear. Wait a minute. All right. All right. Now let's go. Let me see. Let me see if it's good. All right. We're gonna see. Let me see. Can they show it? Let me see. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see that? Let me blow it up a little bit. Wait a minute. Let me blow it up a little bit. Wait a minute. Come on, god damn it. All right, there it is. Can y'all see it? It says garnishment of wages. It's coming out that family encyclopedia. If necessary, creditor may go to court and collect an overdue debt, and the court may issue a writ of garnishment in order that the debtor's wages be garnished, paid by his employer to his creditor. Paid by his employer to his creditor. Now, everybody in the chat go, paid by his employer to his creditor. What credit did you get? What credit did you get? Hey, if you're a Texan, it's gonna be a good night to be a Texan. I'm gonna show you why in a little bit. But a court cannot generally order all a debtor's earnings to be garnished. The Federal Consumer Credit Protection Act exempts from garnishment 75% of a debtor's disposable earnings. See, we had a dumbass nigga that did a video saying that the Federal Consumer Credit Protection Act don't apply to child support. And I just showed y'all this book is a family legal guide, and I got other legal books coming out of the law library, right? That says it has to do with credit because it goes on your credit report because these idiots think y'all stupid because they think that you borrow some credit or something, right? And I'm gonna show you something too. Hold on, let me keep going. Pay remaining after taxes and other deductions required by law. It also requires the debtor to be left with a weekly disposable income that is at least as much as a federal minimum hourly wage, 30 time wage times 30, with a weekly disposable income that is at least as much as federal minimum wage. Okay, hold on. Okay, see attachment and garnishment. Some states have laws that further limit the amount that wages may be garnished as shown in this court. Federal law does not protect against garnishment under court orders for support, bankruptcy, or payment of states. Okay, let's go. Alabama, for consumer debts for personal items, 80% of disposable earnings and 50 times federal minimum hourly wage, whichever is greater non-consumer debts, 75%. Alaska, 175% of weekly earnings. Now, if you know anybody in Alaska and they getting fucked paying over 175, fraud, right? But guess what? Look at this garnishment of wages. What do they file for your job? Income withholding order. And I'm gonna break that shit down too. Check this out. 50% of disposable earnings within 30 days of preceding writ with the necessary for family support. Otherwise, the Federal Consumer Credit Protection Act applies. What's up? 500 to 200 if unmarried of money earned within 60 days of preceding a writ of garnishment of 60-day wages, whichever is less, 25 per week absolute exemption. Federal Consumer Credit Protection Act applies, but all wages are exempt if necessary. Look at California. Hey, if anybody in California watching, look what it says. Federal Consumer Protection Act applies, but all wages are exempt if necessary for family support, nigga. If you in California and you ain't here reading that shit what I just read, okay, check this out. Colorado, the Federal Consumer Protection Act applies in Colorado. Connecticut, 75% of disposable earnings over 40 times federal minimum hourly wage, whichever is greater. Delaware, 85% of disposable earnings except with garnishment is for debts to state. District of Columbia, Federal Consumer Protection Act applies. Florida, the Federal Consumer Protection Act applies. All wages exempt if head of Hey, man, niggas is getting child support is the biggest robbery, nigga, in history, in American history, nigga. Georgia, Federal Consumer Credit Protection Act applies. Man, look at this shit. 90% of the first 100 monthly disposable earnings, 90% of the next 100, 80% monthly net wages over 200. That's Hawaii. You know why Hawaii is like that? Because Hawaii got all them fine bitches over there. Niggas be going dick reckless over there. So that's why that shit like that. Let me keep going. Idaho, Federal Consumer Credit Protection Act applies. Do y'all see that shit? Hold on, let me keep going. Wait a minute, let me see some. Hold on, wait a minute. Let me go to N. I'm gonna get to Texas, Kenny. You gonna love Texas, boy. This is some funny shit. This is some funny shit, boy. They lie like they gonna tell you it's for your children. Boy, these some dirty motherfuckers, boy. Hold on. Are they fucking with my okay? I thought they were fucking with my podcast. Indiana, Federal Consumer Act applies, but greater exemption may be granted. Federal Consumer Protection Act applies. No single garnishment may exceed over $250 a year. That's in Iowa. Kansas, Federal Consumer Protection Act applies. Kentucky, Federal Consumer Protection Act applies. Louisiana, the Federal Consumer Protection Act applies. Maine, 75% earnings of 40 times federal minimum hourly wage, which is greater. Maryland, 125 per week, or 75% disposable earnings, whichever is greater. In Caroline, Kent, Queen Anne's, Worcester counties, Federal Consumer Act applies. Massachusetts, $125 per week. Look at that. Fraud, because it says withholding, IWO, nigga. It don't say nothing about fucking garnishment. I'm gonna tell y'all some garnishment is against the law too anyway. You can't do that to nobody. Anyway, check this out. Michigan, 40% of disposable wages, 60% if head of household with exemptions depending on the time period work. Minnesota, 75% of disposable earnings, 40 times federal minimum hourly wage, whichever is greater. Mississippi, Federal Consumer Credit Protection Act applies. Missouri, Federal Consumer Protection Act applies. 90% of disposable earnings for resident head of household. Montana, Nebraska. All right, let me get to the meats and potatoes. Let me get to the meats and potatoes. Let's get to Texas, baby. Hey, California, Florida, y'all niggas exempt. These niggas is fraud like a motherfucker, nigga. Y'all see Texas? You see what they say in Texas? Look at here, Kenny. Look at here, Kenny. You see what they say in Texas? Look at Texas. Wages may not be garnished. See that? That's why they talk you out and have you agree and all that, and then they want to put you with the IWO shit. They don't say garnishment, they say IWO. So they changed the language, nigga, and I'm finna show y'all something. I'm finna show you the difference between garnishment and withholding. Withholding ain't nothing but some motherfucking tax shit, nigga. These niggas is double dipping in line. Adolf Hitler said, if you want to get money from a fool, tell him this for the children, nigga. Look at this. State law subsequently similar to Federal Consumer Protection Act applies. Look at this. Look at South Carolina, nigga. Wages may not be garnished. You see that shit, nigga? Huh? Hey, these niggas been lying. Let me talk about the step fools. Hold on. Who gonna be a step fool? Damn, they blurring this shit out. They don't want me to show y'all this shit because they just blurred my shit out. Hold on, wait a minute. Let me see, can I see that? Yep, I remember you sent me that. Yep. They playing with my shit, fellas. Hold on, let me show y'all this one because they playing with my shit. They don't want me to show y'all this shit. Remember when I told y'all don't say nothing? Remember I told y'all gotta open y'all mouth? Acquiescence. See, they don't want me to show what's in this book. They doing that shit on purpose. Silent agreement or passive compliance, knowing about some action and remaining quiet, satisfied about it, nigga. If you don't say nothing, that's a form of agreement, my nigga. Y'all gotta open your mouth. Nah, don't do that shit. Leave my fucking shit alone, nigga. Because I'm gonna tell y'all something. What you make when you go on your job, all your earnings is your property. They gave it the name wages. Right? It's your earn. You go to earn. You don't go to wage. Y'all need to set them niggas straight on them job. It's all wordplay. They're a debt collection agency. I'm finna show y'all something. Hold on. Let me download this one about the adult children. Y'all finna laugh y'all ass off about what they say about adult children and support by stupid ass stepfathers. I'm finna show y'all some shit if you let me record it this time. Hold on. Damn, California. Oh, let me go through this first. Let me stop sharing. Let me go through this first. Wait a minute. Let me show y'all something else. Hold on. And I'm gonna go re-upload that shit, right? Okay, here we go, fellas. Y'all ready? Y'all see this? For example, North Carolina, Pennsylvania, South Carolina, and Texas don't allow wage garnishment for debts owed to creditors, although federal law allows it. Y'all see that? See, let me tell y'all something about the legal society. They make up rules because laws already been here. They like to change words, legal and all that. The word legal give them, when you keep saying legal, they inbred niggas to say legal, right? They start changing the wording and shit. Okay, here goes the Federal Trade Commission, the Fair Credit Reporting Act, right? This is the Federal Trade Commission's website, nigga. I don't own none of this. I ain't write none of this. You know what I mean? All the law books, I ain't writing no law books. I'm just reading y'all law books from the law library, all right, and from other literature. Okay, we passed the Black Laws Dictionary because all them niggas know is the Black Law Dictionary. All these other niggas, that's all. Well, Black Law Dictionary, nigga, is way more shit than the Black Laws Dictionary, nigga. They don't have faith. Okay, the act of the Consumer Credit Protection Act protects information collected by consumer reporting agencies such as credit bureaus, medical information, companies, tenant screening services, information in a consumer report cannot be provided to anyone who does not have a purpose specified in the act. Let me hit y'all with something. For my first baby mama's case, guess what they did to me? They sent me a letter and told me, you got 30 days to tell me that I can't put this on your credit, nigga. They supposed to send y'all that. And then too, when y'all go through the fucking child support shit, y'all be supposed to be negotiating. Y'all supposed to go to a negotiation room. I put this shit up in 2015. Me and my nigga Kish went down there. We took pictures of that shit to show y'all it's all fucking business. Child support is the agency is a debt collection agency. That's it. That's all it is. It's not death row. You know what I mean? They're a private fucking business, and I'm gonna do more shit this week and bring out more books to expose these faggot motherfuckers. Okay? You've been lied to. You've been fucking lied to. It ain't about your fucking children. Okay? It's about who gonna put who in slavery and try to make them give some money while they sit on their ass. No, sir, we don't do that over here at Sham Stoppers. Hold on a second. Let me take a quick intermission, and I'm finna go take a picture of the stuff that I had on my phone so y'all can see it clearly, and y'all finna laugh y'all ass off. Hold on. Yo, I'm back. Oh, shit. What's up, people? Here you go. Let me see. Let's look up the difference. Hold on. See, people don't know how to use Google, right? Y'all got to learn how to use Google. People don't know how to. We got all these imposters. All right. Difference. Okay, let's do the definition of withholding. All right. Let's go to definition of withholding. Okay, definition of withholding. And I'm gonna put it up another way. Refusal to give something that is due or desired. That is due or desired. Not expressing affection, warmth, or feeling. The guy is a withholding type. Refuse to give something. So they refusing to, it's an order of refusal. Remember this, fellas. The income withholding order is a order of refusing to give you your shit, your earnings, because you didn't steal it, you didn't rob, none of that. Okay? All right. See how I make this shit so simple? This shit is simple, man. This shit is simple. See, a lawyer ain't allowed to tell you that. His religion is hear no evil, see no evil. They ignoring what's happening to you, and they just giving you that they ought to give you because, for one, people see these people as Mr. Know-it-all, the law. A lot of these dumb idiots, lawyers don't know the fucking law, right? They do not. These fools do not. They just carry that title like a bitch ass motherfucker. Difference between withholding and garnishment. Okay. All right, hold on. Really talking about what then? Right. Look at this. You see how the internet plays games? I know how to make this internet feel like a bitch, nigga. I know how to dial in access some shit that they run around the circles. That's why I told y'all don't be trusting this internet. You got to go to the books. The books was before the internet. You see what I just asked Google? This between withholding and garnishment. Look what it gave me. Let me make it better. Let me put a question mark on this bitch. You see what I'm talking about? Look at it. Look, keep talking about some garnishment. Where is withholding? I told y'all they playing with y'all with talking about withholding. You withhold these nuts. Shit. Now, let me pull up the stepdaddy shit. Hold on. Hey man, this right here. This right here. This right here. This the shit. Right here, nigga. A lawyer is for a nigga who don't know they asshole from a hole in the ground. Because if the lawyers told the truth, it'll be one lawyer per state. We don't need all these lawyers. Right? If these bastards told the truth, which they ain't gonna tell the truth because they mad because they gotta pay child support. Ooh, here you go, fellas. It came in clear. Ooh, here we go. Here we go. It came in clear, fellas. Thomas is your husband? Oh, okay. Now, check this out, fellas. Here we go. Child support is an administrative agency, fellas. Remember that. Administrative agency, a branch of the government created to execute and enforce particular laws, such as a tax commission, public utility commission, and workmen's compensation commission. See public administrative agency. Does it say family law, fellas? Y'all see the bullshit? Go get this book, man. This will be a good book for your arsenal. Okay? These other hoe ass niggas ain't gonna tell you to go get no books because they can't read nor comprehend. They want to sound like they good. Yeah, this is it, man. Fuck your sound, nigga. I want to see some literature, nigga. So whenever, look, I'm gonna tell y'all something. When I used to face these so-called law enforcement officers, state troopers, sheriffs, all them, they used to tell me something. Yeah, by law. Okay, shit. That's cool. By law. Cite me that law, my brother. Cite me that law. Cite it to me. Nigga, them niggas be dumbfounded like a motherfucker. I say, I can get your ass for giving me legal advice, motherfucker. You not even a lawyer. So why you up here telling me about the law, nigga? That ain't your job. Your job is to hop when your master, the chief, tell you to. Administrative board, administrative discretion, the professional judgment required for the exercise of official duties not precisely described by laws or rules. Here you go. These are child support commissioners and shit like that. Administrative law, see public administrative agency. Administrative remedy, the means of enforcing a right by going to a public administrative agency for help or for a decision. Often must submit your problem to the proper agency before you may take it to court. Oh, just gave y'all the game right here. Let me cut this off, man. Let me go to the next one. Let me go to the next one. Hold on. Let me go to the next one, God damn it. Y'all ready for this? Y'all ready for this? That's why I tell y'all not to be a stepfather. Support by stepfathers. Ordinarily, no one is required to support a child not related to him. In many states, a stepfather must support his wife's children if they live with him. In other states, if the children's natural father is not contributing to their support, and if the stepfather does not adopt them, they might be entitled to receive welfare benefits. Laws making stepfathers responsible recognize that the family is functional as a regular family unit until that cannot get welfare, and thus remove a reason not to adopt the children. Y'all see this? The reason why I'm telling y'all not to be stepfather, because guess what? A real nigga ain't gonna pay no child support if you got another nigga around. Now, check this out. Adult child. Under the common law, a parent is not required to support an adult child, nor does an adult child have to support his parent or grandparent. This means, for example, that a hospital nursing home cannot sue the child for payment when the care is given to an aging or infirm parent. The parent is relieved of responsibility for a handicapped child when he reaches the age of majority, and a non-custodial parent can stop making child support payments when the child reaches legal adulthood, even if the child is still in high school. Hey, bingo. Bing, 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 bing. What's up? Told y'all niggas been lied to. Why y'all think I get on here and talk shit? Huh? Why in the fuck do you think I sit up here and talk shit all fucking day long? Huh? Look, a parent or child who does not more than the law requires under the circumstances is considered a volunteer. Stop volunteering. Therefore, a child who pays expenses for a parent cannot accept a contribution from brothers or sisters. Custodial parent who continues to support an adult child who is in school cannot force a non-custodial parent to help. Ah, what's up, fellas? Child support is voluntary. This what I just read. This what I just comprehend. Okay. Like I told you, niggas don't want to fuck with me on this internet. I will crush you, bitch ass niggas who try to do child support shit. You ain't shit. Real talk, you scary. You know what I'm talking about? We run this child support shit. This is why I say we run this shit, nigga. Cause you ain't find this shit on no other channel, nigga. Ladies and gentlemen, y'all ain't gonna find this shit nowhere else. Nowhere. I'm gonna read this shit a fucking again. The parent is relieved of responsibility for a handicapped child when he reaches the age of majority, and non-custodial parent can stop making child support payments when the child reaches legal adulthood, even if the child is still in fucking high school, nigga. What's up, man? This is a legal family guide for the law, the lay person. Shit. Then you had one fool talking about you ain't got no right to privacy. Okay, do me a favor. Since he said you ain't got a right to privacy, little punk ass nigga that be using my shit on here. I'm talking to that one little scrawny little punk ass nigga. But anyway, uh, go peep in somebody's window right now. Go peek into somebody's window. See, you got to come down to a stupid nigga's level and beat them at their stupidity, right? Crush them. You got to crush them. Stupid. Niggas say some stupid shit on the internet. Go peep in somebody's window. All y'all got a right to privacy. You'll get your fucking head blown off. Come do this shit in Texas. Come tell somebody they ain't got the right to privacy. Now I just showed y'all the wage shit, right? And they did it by fraud by changing it to income withholding. And then they put in a small print that they're gonna alert the child support enforcement agency in DC. Nigga, that's fraud, nigga. When your job give you that W-4, they don't explain or read that whole contract out to you because you're supposed to read that whole contract out to you. If they don't do that, nigga, that's fraud. And whoever paying for adult children, you're a fucking idiot. Because guess what? What age your child can start working? Huh? Huh? Somebody tell me, what age can your child start working? Somebody tell me that in the chat. I know niggas, I went to school with niggas who graduated at the age of 16. See, let me tell y'all something. I graduated on the honor roll in high school. You want to know why I graduated on the honor roll in high school? because I went to summer school every fucking summer. That's why I graduated in a fucking honor roll, nigga. I didn't use my summers to fuck off as a youngster. Can't you tell? Real talk. North Carolina exempt. Florida exempt. Y'all ain't supposed to be paying no child support. No, none of these states. Look out for the next podcast Monday with a goddamn live court. We're gonna do some live court shit. Yeah. I think it's gonna be in Dallas. But yeah, I hate to go, fellas. I gotta do some more reading at night. Y'all have a good night. Peace.